Get ready for dictation at the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, 40 years ago, when we achieved our independence, it was not the end of our fight, but a beginning of a new fight. A fight against poverty and a fight to make freedom a reality for our teeming millions. Full stop. All of us are partners in this great struggle and have to go a long way to achieve our objectives. Full stop. We have to ensure a better life for our children and find more jobs for our young men. Full stop. During the last 50 years, we have covered a long journey, a journey not of comforts alone, but of many hardships, difficulties, and dangers. Full stop. But as you know, we are today stronger than ever before. Full stop. We are more resolute and united, and our democratic institutions have taken deeper roots. Full stop. However, we have to see that the pace of our progress is accelerated and we fulfill our pledges. Full stop. As you know, we have made some progress and have a number of achievements to our credit. Full stop. But I regret to say that there are some people in our country who even question these achievements. Full stop. There is a mighty upsurge in India today, and we all should try to gear ourselves to meet the challenges before us. We should strive for unity and strength to achieve our objectives. Any temporary difficulty or our failure to do things should not lead us to believe that there has been no progress. Full stop. We do make mistakes sometimes, but this cannot nullify our achievements. While we criticize ourselves for our shortcomings, we should not overlook our many achievements. Full stop. We have to do some hard searching and decide what the shape of things should be. Full stop. Almost every year, as you know, we face droughts in some parts of the country and floods in others. Full stop. But the impact of such tragedies today is not the same as it used to be years ago. Previously, whenever there was drought in rural areas, there was hardly any assistance from outside. Full stop. But things are quite different now. We take immediate steps to rush aid to the affected areas and face the calamity unitedly. Full stop. We cannot prevent the vagaries of nature, but we can always face them unitedly. Full stop. A significant development we see is the increasing self reliance among our people, and I believe that they alone are the masters of their destiny. Full stop. This is our greatest asset and a source of our real strength. Full stop. As you know, we have made considerable progress in the fields of agriculture and industry. Full stop. 55 years ago, when we became free, our condition was really bad and we were full of anxiety. Full stop. We were faced with so many problems and it looked as if we would not be able to preserve our independence, but these people were proved wrong. Full stop. We were successful in solving our problems one by one, and during these years made significant progress in every walk of life and improved our performance in industrial and agricultural fields. Full stop. Food production in the country increased. A large number of few factories have come up, and again all the critical and complex problems were solved one by one. Full stop. Production of steel and electricity has increased. Many heavy machines which we were formerly importing are now being manufactured in the country. Full stop. The development of heavy industry has enabled us to manufacture other machines indigenously. Full stop. It is true that our production is largely due to rapid increase in our population. So we are always faced with the problem of how to meet the demand which is increasing day by day. Full stop. Some people do not see things in proper perspective and try to belittle the achievements. Such persons who close their eyes to the realities are no friends of the people. Full stop. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our armed forces for their heroic and courageous deeds. Full stop. These brave soldiers and officers of our army, navy, and air force have made great sacrifices to safeguard freedom of the country, which has been attacked 5 times. I firmly believe that the freedom of India will always be safe in their hands. Full stop. We express our gratitude and sympathize to the families of our brave soldiers and officers who lost their lives in the fighting. All of us, including our army and police, have to make a united effort to uplift the country.